Good morning, everybody. I hope you have been staying safe and healthy during this shutdown. I would really like to see everyone back to school as soon as possible and healthy. I also like to see you get this work done with the Keystones coming up. I really would like us to finish strong with this review and feel ready and confident when we sit down to take that test. So the stuff that we're doing this week is some review from the beginning of the year, talking about properties of water. So what you're looking for here, if you're watching this video, means you didn't come to Zoom, but there was 2 Zoom links posted, and I also had office hours. Wednesday is the first assignment, and then there's a second one posted on Friday. Those are the ones worth points. I also posted a quizzes for you to practice. There's a mobile link or web link there, depending on whether you're on a phone or computer. You can use one or the other. During Wednesday, what we did during Zoom is we worked through the Google Doc assignment together. It's a little guided reading activity where you'll be reading and then answering questions as you go along. Here's a copy of it. I'll make it a little bit bigger. I want you to consider how many properties of water you remember. If you don't remember any, I attached a PDF to this first day that is a good reference as a study sheet, and you can also keep it and continue to reference it as we prepare for the Keystone. So here it is, talking about the different properties of water. We're going to focus on the fact that water is polar. It displays the property of cohesion and adhesion. It is a universal solvent. When it freezes as a solid, it is less dense than its liquid form, and it has a high heat capacity or high specific heat. That means it's able to regulate temperature and not change temperature as quickly. By reading through this here guided reading, you will see how those properties of water are important for life. So I don't want to read it for you. That's what we did together during Zoom. You took some time to read it and answer questions, but I just wanted to give you some a little bit of a tour of what I expect you to do here. If you're not able to do it online, I'll have paper copies when you return, or if you've talked to me, maybe you've picked up paper copies already. So you're just answering questions here where there are some lines, and then there are a few multiple choice. You can just highlight the correct answer. So that's the first day. Make sure to turn that in when you finish. Some people have already finished the second day, a little bit shorter, just continuing to review the same topic, so you can continue to reference this page from the day before. If you come to Zoom, we're going to play quizzes together, which is why I have that link there. But if you don't come to Zoom, just use this separate assignment to play quizzes, because this link here is just a teacher link. But then there's a Keystone multiple choice example question about water properties. And then if you prefer to do a worksheet rather than play the quizzes game, the game questions are made into a worksheet here on this PDF file. So this is the multiple choice question I'm asking you to do. The first day's assignment is worth 15 points and the second one is worth 10 points. These are points you do not want to miss out on here at the end of the year. So this gives us the example of a water strider. This is a great example of one of our properties of water. And that's all you got to do is pick one and explain to me your thought process. It does not have to be a complete sentence. It can just be a bullet point or so. But to get full credit on this, I would like you to answer the question and explain your thought process. The reason I'm asking you to do that is I do not want you to just blindly pick an answer. I want you to think through it. We have the opportunity right now to take the time to think through it, give our best effort, okay? make sure you turn those in when you're done. And I look forward to seeing you on Monday.